DayZ tools. So you may be asking, how does one go about creating a mod for DayZ or Armour for that matter? Fortunately, the wise people at BI decided to also release the tools to the Steam community minus any real instructions, hence the reason you visited DayZ Academy. DayZ Tools is a separate install that will give you an arsenal of cool programs intended to create maps, models, and much more. Well, in this video, I'm just going to give you a brief overview of each of these so you can become familiar with what they do. Workbench. This is a powerful all-in-one tool developed to handle modifications related to the Enfusion engine game core, such as scripting and particles and editing and user interface editing and other things. It's a beast, and if you master it, you will be a true genius amongst modders. Add-on Builder. The purpose of this tool is to convert all data into formats readable by the game engine and pack them into a single archive. It is fondly known as Add-on Breaker amongst hardcore modders and is usually substituted for a far better third-party free program created by Mikiro. More on this later. Publisher. This is a tool and it can publish whole mods onto Steam Workshop. It's to be used in the game and its name basically says it all. Terrain Builder. Also known as TB, you'll spend most of your time in this software. This is a terrain creation tool. It allows users to build their own virtual worlds from scratch. It will also most likely cause you the most anxiety, frustration, and in some cases end you up in counselling. Having said that, when you learn to deal with this temperamental program, you'll be on your way to playing your very own game or end up in rehab. But we will do our best to assist you to avoid the latter. Object Builder. Also known as OB. This tool is used to create, edit, and configure 3D models made for DayZ. DayZ uses a proprietary model format known as a P3D, and all 3D models must be converted to this format to appear in the game. If you, like me, prefer using Blender, which is free, don't worry, we'll show you Blender lessons and how you can do almost 100% work directly inside Blender and rarely have to deal with OB. Economy Editor. This tool is used to configure the spawn and loot spots of a terrain. If you need zombies in one area and animals in another, well, you can define both their location as well as the radius at which they can wander. Want loot to appear in specific places? You can. Define all these items and they appear in specific places. You can define all these items inside the economy editor. It's usually the last phase of the map making that you will generally start using this, but some people like to establish this early. So that this is really just a very quick overview of all the basic tools you will be using to create a map. But remember, other free and paid tools can be incorporated to assist you in making a great map. And don't worry if you're starting out and this seems overwhelming. We will concentrate on one tool at a time and take it step by step during the map making tutorial. So it will all make sense once you start following the steps. Well, okay. Congratulations for completing this section and I'll see you in the next one.